Welcome back, students, to Affiliate Marketing University, the complete 2020 guide to affiliate marketing. Module 8, How to Create Valuable Content. Being able to attract an audience with relevant, high-quality content is one of the primary keys in affiliate marketing. You should attempt to make the quality of your content better, more thorough, and relevant to all your competition. There are three main components to high-quality content in affiliate marketing. So let's get into what makes good content good. First is relevance. Your content should be connected to your audience, not only concerning the niche or topic that you picked, but also regarding what is currently relevant within your niche. If you are in the electronics niche, for example, and you are writing countless articles on the Atari, you shouldn't expect to get as much attention as you might have gotten if you wrote about a recent video game controversy or new relevant technology. People use blogs or YouTube channels as their news source nowadays. So the more you can inform them with current events in your niche, or the more you make good, informative, or creative content, the more likely you will that your customer will become a returning viewer. Next, you have to actually learn to offer value. And I learned how to offer value through the book The Go-Giver, and there's 5 main components that I'll go over. Firstly, value. You want to give more value than you're taking in payment. Essentially is you want to be able to make sure that the person paying you feels like they're getting what they're paying for plus more. Income is determined by how many people you serve. So marketing, you want to do a lot of outreach, a lot of branding with social media, possibly paid advertising, things like this. Influence is how abundantly you place others' interests before yours. So a lot of the time when we go into a niche or we go into a topic, there's a lot of parts of that topic that are more interesting than us that are probably not as interesting to our audience or not as important to our audience as we might think. So rather than thinking to ourselves, what in this business interests me, you want to look at the actual statistics of what people are looking for within this niche. What do other people have problems with within this niche? Because us as individuals actually have a pretty skewed view of how others experience the same niche, market, or activity that we're trying to partake in. Authenticity is staying true to yourself. This is just simply being yourself when you're making content, adding your own little twist, and receptivity is staying open to receiving. This is the last part. If you are actually offering a lot of value and you feel good about how you're helping others and people feel as if you're helping them solve their problems, then you'll easily stay open to receiving and realize that you've given to other people, so you should expect to get some value in the form of money back. So how do you apply these concepts to affiliate marketing? Applying these concepts in affiliate marketing is a little difficult, but I'll explain how to do it here. So firstly, value. In affiliate marketing, you are not asking for cash payment when people view your content, but they are offering their time. Your content must be worthwhile when taking up their time. You should be especially valuable to your target market and make sure you're solving their problems. On top of the value you offer, you should consider the content that will be specifically valuable to your target market, not just the whole world or what you think is important, but what your target market will find valuable. You also are going to want to keep in mind your affiliate product, because the affiliate product also has to be valuable in the sense that if they are going to go buy your affiliate product, they have to be certain that it's going to solve the problem they have. Next, we have compensation. So how do you serve more people? By increasing traffic, marketing, creating a brand, and reaching more people. The internet is huge, and there are sub-niche markets looking for solutions to their problems 24/7. Reach out to this specific audience and help them in ways that your competition hasn't yet. In order to serve more people on your website, it has to convert well, so your sales system needs to be done correctly. You've just completed the module where we showed you how to do solution funnels, so make sure you incorporate good sales tactics on your page. Next, we have influence, which is placing others' interests before yours. Your marketing is going to have different needs and questions that they want answered than you might think they want. Remember to utilize search engine optimization to research what big problems your niche has. And then next is authenticity. Be yourself and keep your brand honest. Don't pretend to be a person or company that you aren't. Make sure you push your own personal twist and fun into your business to make it more unique. People will love that your brand has some personality to it. It's better to have both lovers and haters than just acquaintances, so don't be scared to be yourself. Receptivity. Be open to receiving from your audience. Give them the opportunity through products, coaching, or donations to give back to you. Simply be open to accepting value from what you are offering, and you will receive money from your audience. So let's talk about how to gain an audience fast. Firstly, search engine optimization is very important. We showed you how to utilize Fiverr to get an audience and actually start getting backlinks. We also do social media. You also want to make sure to use good keywords, and you want to make sure you're picking niche topics that aren't too heavy in competition, but also get a lot of searches every month. Publicity stunts for entertainment or posts that will get a lot of attention with no affiliate links are not necessarily a bad thing. When building an online business, the goal is to create an online brand that is recognized as a credible source by the audience that you're selling to. If you are gaining attention on other blog posts or social media accounts due to a publicity stunt, or write a favorite article that shows no affiliate links, it will only grow your potential customer audience, subscriber list, and email list further. A lot of people know that you're getting commission by using affiliate links, so when you post an article now and then with no intention to make profit, it shows that you care more about the information and content that you're putting out there than the money you're bringing in. Publicity stunts are easy to pull off, believe it or not. The best way to make something go viral is to post it to potential social media sites and share it with a lot of people, and make sure it's outrageous and related to the topic that you're in. The same thing with writing a booming article, only you should do it with a little more research when it comes to actually finding what you should make your publicity stunt around. So you're going to want to use Neil Patel's Uber Suggest for that. Don't overthink your posts, though, and don't be scared to niche down your posts as far as you want. A failed blog is worth the chance at an untapped niche to add to your website. So make sure you use Uber Suggest to find those hidden gems within the niche that you can try posting topics on. Even if a specific blog page doesn't get much attention, it still will help you with your search engine optimization. Creative content. Now, being creative and unique in affiliate marketing is very important when standing out. Everyone can be creative with their social media or blog posts with a little effort. Put time and effort into your posts and think them through. Each post should serve a different purpose, and once you become good at this, you will realize which posts get the best response from your niche's audience. It can force your audience to ask itself a question. It can force them to future page, which is something we have already discussed within the solution funnel module. It can emphasize discomfort or pain within your audience. It can show them a solution with your affiliate link. And remember that publicity stunts also are a really good way with creative content to get a lot of attention. Keep writing down trends that you see and make notes of what posts you've made that have worked well. And like I said, starting off with creative content is the best way to start getting an audience online before you start making reviews and comparisons and pages that just have the purpose of selling products. So why? Here's our review. Why do you need high-quality content? What does it mean to have relevant content? What is creative content? And then how can you utilize publicity stunts within your niche? All right, guys, and here is your to-do for this module. So read The Go-Giver for a more in-depth perspective on how to offer real value. We'll put this in the link down below. Remember to incorporate the 5 keys from The Go-Giver. The book will show you how to do this more in depth. Also, produce some examples of high-quality content that is relevant, creative, and effectively brings forward an affiliate offer to your audience. Also, make a small list of publicity stunts that might gain publicity in your audience by offering value to your market with comedic value, informational value, or whatever it may be. Great job on finishing this module, guys. This to-do list is all on you. It's up to you to be able to read the book The Go-Giver, incorporating these 5 keys and all these different things. If you have any questions, make sure to email us, check out our website, and we'll see you in the next module. Thanks for watching, guys. Students, make sure to check out the link in the description to go get the book The Go-Giver on Amazon. You can get the audio book with Audible, or you can get the Kindle version. The hardcover is only $17. It's not an expensive book, and it's one of the most highly rated in the business industry, especially for how many people that have read it. So go check out the book The Go-Giver. It's a super powerful business idea that I think could really change the way you live your entire life.